Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners and viewers. In the morning today, again I came in the touch of nature to get free from boringness. My dear learners and viewers, you must know that nature is the best teacher and master of us all in our every single day. Actually, we get different guidelines in every categories in our everyday life. So, my dear learners and viewers, nature teaches us in many ways. Nature guides us in many ways in different categories of our everyday life. Some of them, how to control our anxiety, how to pacify cold and soothe our heart, how to remove our boringness, how to how to get strong of our life in every activities. So, my dear learners and viewers, especially when we feel something boring in our everyday life, we naturally come in the constant touch of nature, in the lap of nature, to get free from boringness of our everyday life. So, my dear learners and viewers, actually, I suggest you to get the constant touch of nature every day to get free from boringness in our everyday life. So, please, if you have any chance to get free from boringness, come to the nature. Come in the lap of nature, come in the constant touch of nature to get free from boringness. So, dear learners and viewers, I am very happy and I feel very happy, very pleasing to be in the constant touch of nature every day, in every single day of my life. So, my dear learners and viewers, every day remind and keep it in mind that we are the best person and best creation of Allah ever born in this planet. So, we have to do anything, we have to lead our life in the right way, in the constant way, being in the constant touch of nature. Okay, my dear learners and viewers, so that's all of my life today for being in the constant touch of nature, and thank you very much for being with me in this lap of nature. Assalamu alaikum.